English to Pashto short sentences. I will take care of you. Zabasta khiyal satam. I will take care of you. I can take care of myself. زخپل خیال پخپلا ساتلی شم. I can take care of myself. He is not a child anymore. وس هغه وړوکی نه دی. He is not a child anymore. He has grown up now. وس هغه لوی شوی. He has grown up now. Leave no stone unturned. سکسر مپریدا. Leave no stone unturned. Don't try my patience. زما د صبر امتحان ما اهلا. Don't try my patience. You will lose everything. تبا هرسا وبایلی. You will lose everything. Maybe you did good. کیدیشی تا خ وکړو. Maybe you did good. Whom do you love? ته د چا سره مینه کوي. Whom do you love? I love my fiancé. زه د خپلې کویدنې شوي سره مینه کوم. I love my fiancé. یا زه د خپلې منګیتر سره مینه کوم. Take rest here. دلته دمه وکا. Take rest here. Tonight. نن شپه. Tonight. I am getting happy. زه خوشحالیږم. I am getting happy. I am getting sad. زه خفه کیږم. I am getting sad. You made me sad. تا زه خفه کړم. You made me sad. You made me crazy. تا زه لیونی کړم. You made me crazy. He makes people laugh. هغه خلک خندي. He makes people laugh. He makes people happy. هغه خلک خوشحالي. He makes people happy. What's the matter? څه خبره ده. What's the matter? Just like that. بس همداسې. Just like that. You act very well. ته ډیره ښه اداکاري کوي. You act very well. I don't even know her. زه خو هغه پیژنم هم نه. I don't even know her. How did you find it? تا ته دا څنګه ولګېدو. How did you find it? Keep it aside. دا یو طرف ته کېدوه. Keep it aside. Don't make a scene. تماشا مه جوړوه. Don't make a scene. You always scare me. ته تل ما یری. You always scare me. You can't take more. ته نور نشي اغستی. You can't take more. Give me more. نور را لرا. Give me more. He knows all about it. هغه ته دې باره کې ټوله پته ده. He knows all about it. I want more. زه نور غواړم. I want more. Eyes cheat. سترګې دوکه ورکوي. Eyes cheat. Let us be together. مونږ یو ځای پرېږده. Let us be together. Who else is here beside us? زمونږ نه علاوه دلته نور څوک دي؟ Who else is here beside us? There is no one beside us. زمونږ نه علاوه دلته هیڅوک نشته. There is no one beside us. Did someone misbehave? آیا چا بدتمیزي وکړه؟ Did someone misbehave? I will never forgive myself. زه به هیڅ چېرې ځان معاف نه کم. I will never forgive myself. Can't you be quiet? غلی نشي کېناستی. Can't you be quiet? Don't lean against me. ما ته ډډه مه وهه. Don't lean against me. Let's play hide and seek. راځئ چې پر پټوانې وکړو. Let's play hide and seek. Now stop crying. وس جړا بند کا. Now stop crying. All is fair. هر څه جایز دي. All is fair. In love and war. په مینه او جنگ کې. In love and war. What type of people live? څنګ خلک اوسیږي. What type of people live? In this street. په دې کوڅه کې. In this street. Who all are scared? څوک یریدلی دي. Who all are scared? I'm scared. زه یریدلی یم. I'm scared. See through the window. د کړکۍ نه وګوره. See through the window. Change your decision. خپله فیصله بدل کا. Change your decision. You have gone mad. ته لیونی شوی. You have gone mad. How long will you take? څومره وخت به اخلي. How long will you take? Maybe all night. کېدی شي ټوله شپه. Maybe all night. You take care. ته خپل خیال ساته. You take care. Don't copy me. زما نقل مکوه. Don't copy me. Don't copy others. د نورو خلکو نقل مکوه. Don't copy others. Get him to me. هغه زما خواله راوله. Get him to me. Not here. دلته نه. Not here. What did you do? تا څه چل وکړو. What did you do? Afterwards. رستو. Afterwards. I'm fed up with you too. زه ستاسو دواړو نه تنګ شوی یم. I'm fed up with you too. I had to ask. ما مجبوراً تپوس وکو. I had to ask. د دې نورو ویډیوګانو نه ځان خبرولو دپاره دا چینل سبسکرایب کړئ او د بیل آیکن آل نوټیفیکیشن کلیک کړئ. نورې چې کومې ویډیوګانې راځي نو تاسو به دې په وخت خبریږئ. Thanks for watching.